In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record owner contributions for multiple owners or partners in QuickBooks Online. This is really important if you have more than one owner in your business and you want to keep each person's investment clearly separated for accurate reporting and future payouts. We'll start by setting up an equity account for each partner. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings gear icon in the top right and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, including assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity. Next, click the New button to create a new account. For the account type, select Equity. This tells QuickBooks that this account is related to ownership in the business rather than day-to-day income or expenses. Then, from the Detail Type dropdown, choose Partner's Equity. This category is designed specifically for tracking each partner's share of the business. Now give the account a clear, specific name. For example, you might name it something like Partner 1 Equity, or use initials if you prefer. The goal is to easily see which equity account belongs to which person. Once you've named it, click Save and Close. Then, repeat this same process for every partner or owner in the business, so each one has their own dedicated equity account. After the equity accounts are set up, you're ready to record the actual contributions when owners put money into the business. A clean way to do this in QuickBooks Online is by using a bank deposit. Click the plus New button at the top of the screen and select Bank Deposit. At the top of the bank deposit window, choose the correct bank account where the money was actually deposited. Then select the date the deposit hit your bank, matching what you see on your bank statement for accurate reconciliation later. In the section labeled Add Funds to this deposit, you'll record each owner's contribution. In the Received From field, type or select the partner's name. This helps you keep track of who contributed the funds. In the Account field on that same line, choose the specific equity account you created earlier for that partner. This links the contribution directly to their ownership. Enter the contribution amount in the Amount field. If multiple partners contributed in the same deposit, add a new line for each one, choosing the correct equity account and entering their respective amounts. When everything looks correct and the total matches your actual bank deposit, click Save and Close to record it.